Hello guys, welcome to part 6 of our video deployment series on how to build a Python Telegram echo bot. And in this part we're going to be looking at how to set up the GitHub repository and push to it so that we can link to it with our Code Capsules account. Excuse me. So head over to GitHub and create a new repository for the Python Telegram echo bot application. And I'm just going to call it Telegram echo bot. And after you've written the name, you can go and click on create repository in order to create the repo. And afterwards you can copy the URL of the repository here so that we can push to it. So copy this URL here and then head over back to your VS Code or whichever IDE you are using to write the application in, and open a new terminal. And here in the terminal window you want to first run git init. So this initializes an empty repository, and I'm just going to switch to the main branch here. So I've switched to the main branch as it is the default branch as well here on GitHub Online. So after switching to the main branch, I can now add my remote repository which is online by running git add remote, and then name of the origin. In our case we're just going to call it origin, and then paste the URL you copied on GitHub earlier before. Oh, sorry, got that wrong. It's supposed to be git remote add, sorry. So this is actually a command for adding a file, git add. I was supposed to run git remote add origin. So this adds a remote now. Okay, so as you can see that worked finely, and afterwards we can commit our files, and we'll need a commit message. We'll just write initial app commit and hit the commit button, and then push our changes. Click OK. So for people who do not have VS Code, who are coding with another IDE, the commands you have to run are git add -a. So you can run git add -a in order to add all the files that you have added. So that is the app py file, the proc file, and the requirements txt file. If you run git add -a, it adds all the files, and then git commit -m followed by your commit message. So that will do the same as committing these files here, and then finally git push -u origin main to push the changes to our remote repository. So we can reload this and it should have updated. As you can see, our app is now on our remote repository. So that's it guys. Stay tuned to see how we're going to link our repository to Code Capsules in the next video. Take care.